constitutional burdens that are complex.
The Tuesday ruling by the Supreme Court that the gender equity provision in the Constitution will not be applied during the March 4th, 2013 general election just opened a fresh push by various women rights groups seeking to ensure that the constitutional requirement is implemented during the forthcoming general election. And their first step was during the 49th Jamhuri Day celebrations after one of the women aspirants sought to petition President Kibaki to protect the interests and gains of women acquired under the new constitution. However, her mission was thwarted by the heavy police presence. But even as women groups pledged to exhaust all avenues to ensure their rights are attained, the government seemed reluctant to sponsor a constitutional amendment bill that will finally come up with a formula on how the 2/3 gender representation will be achieved.
Mambo ya kina mama, mahakama yameamua, sisi tutaheshimu uamuzi wa mahakama. Sawa sawa.
According to Justice Minister Eugene Wamalwa, who was speaking in Trans Nzoia County, political parties should instead move in and save the situation.
There are great challenges we are facing, even just to have this election conducted. Lakini hii haimaanishi ya kwamba sisi kama vyama, political parties, sasa tutachukua nafasi hii kusema kina mama poleni, mahakama imeamua, kwa hivyo hamuna nafasi. Hapana.
Article 81B of the Constitution says that not more than 2/3 of the members of elective bodies shall be of the same gender. If adhered to, this would have ensured that women take up 1/3 of the elective seats, including the National Assembly and the Senate, in the country's political setup, which has traditionally been male-dominated.
We respect the courts, but still we have to fight it, even going back to court and seeing that there'll be no parliament next year. That is our decision.
And the realization of the 2/3 principle, in our view, and in the view of the Honorable Chief Justice, is now. It cannot wait. It's immediate.
In the ruling made by the Supreme Court Tuesday, only Chief Justice Dr. William Mutunga, out of the 5 Supreme Court judges, gave a dissenting voice to the effect that there will be a constitutional crisis if Kenyans do not elect a parliament that ensures that at least 1/3 of either gender is represented in parliament. The Supreme Court, by a majority decision, said the requirement can only be achieved progressively and that Parliament should enact the necessary laws by August 2015 to facilitate the gender equity principle. Thairu, Citizen Live at 9.